Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Hey, I wanted to hop on today because I actually came across a cool site that was shared with me, and I wanted to come on here and share it with you guys. I think you'll really find it beneficial. You know, some of the major companies out there, when they're doing their advertising, they actually want the general public to participate in it, right? They want the general public to just be their advertising dollars in motion. So this is really an example of it. It's actually called influencercash.co. And what you do is you actually get paid to do certain tasks. You get paid $2 for every person that clicks on your link, and then an extra 10 when they actually join. So you can get this out there. There's also some trainings in here, and I wanted to go ahead and show it to you. This is your back office right here. This is what you would look for. You set up a free account. And this is actually my referral link right here. And I'm actually gonna copy this, copy the code, because I'm going to be setting it obviously inside my YouTube channel. But right here you can see, $30 surveys and apps. There's the $30 task wall. Here's your refer and earn. I'm going to click on this. There's promotional points. I wanted to show you this. You can do find some images below that you can post on social media to help you gain more referrals. So these are the I said promotional points. I meant promotional posts. So this is some of the marketing that they actually give you. Here's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter submission, reward center, your payments, and you can be paid out to like your Cash App, your PayPal, or a physical check. They can decide to send this to you. We're assigned an account manager here, obviously, and we've got their Skype information, and obviously as you're setting up your accounts, guys, you can do this. So it's all about the promotion. Let me show you of different companies. Obviously it's a McDonald's, Buffalo Wild Wings, you've got a Fortnite, Dunkin' Donuts. This is all new iPhone, excuse me, XX, the Samsung Galaxy. Here's the Fashion Nova, the Wendy's gift card. You guys can see Target, all of it. So essentially you're getting the rewards. Krispy Kreme. I just wanted to scroll through and just really kind of show you guys some of what you have at your fingertips. Five Guys, Burger King. I'm not going to cover everything, but you guys get the idea. And over here on the right hand side, it says earn $30. So you're completing some tasks, and this is essentially how you're earning. It's a way to earn from home. And I saw this on an advertisement that says you can be earning up to $200 a day. So guys, there's just so many ways. I think this is absolutely fantastic. Influencer Cash. I love the name of it. I love how simple everything is set up. And I really highly encourage you. I'm going to post it on my video. I really highly encourage you to get an account created. I just created this recently. I will do a follow-up video as I'm earning on this, and I think I'm going to add my image here. I believe I have the ability to add my image here, and that way, guys, you're branding yourself. So I hope that you found this helpful, and set up your free account today, and feel free to look through this. And obviously, you know, you're going to be earning each person that clicks on your link, it's $2, and obviously you get $10 per referral, plus, you know, your tasks. You know, your $30 per task is really what sends you to those higher earning levels and really gets you to that $200 a day or more goal. So anyway, I appreciate you joining me on this, and make it a great one. Take care.